Hi everyone, this is Matthew again. Today is 1st of June 2024. Happy new month to you guys. This is our second strategy for today on this channel, and we're going to be dropping about 6 of 7 strategies today, 1st of June 2024. So make sure you subscribe to all our 3 channels to watch all the strategies we'll be dropping today. And here we're going to be trading the bull market index, touch no touch. We are using the Deriv trader, and there's a dark mode. So once you log into your trading account, you go to the trade type, you go to the bull market index, then we chose the touch no touch. You are going to be setting the minutes to 3 minutes. Then you are going to be setting your barrier offset to minus 5.8911. Then here you are going to change the chart to 1 tick. Then you are going to go to the momentum indicator. You are going to choose the MACD. So you are going to see this down below. This is the MACD right there. So you can see I'm watching this. The movement of this line is going right up. You are going to be clicking on no touch. It's going up here. You can see the white line right there is still going up, 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 up. So I can actually sell here and take maybe $2 because I'm sticking high. So you can rake in some money right here if you don't want to wait. But if you want to wait, then you can wait for it to hit the profit, which will be about $6. But 3.5 is okay, 4.7 is okay. I can sell now, then go again. So that's the trick. You can be scalping and you can wait for it to hit, but in any way they're going to win the trade regardless. So let's go for another trade again. You can see it's still, the line has to be going right up. You can see it's pushing right down. Don't place any trade. You can see the 2 lines here, the red and the white line. If it's pushing right down, don't place any trade. If it's going right up again, then you go for another trade. So let's just wait for it to be going right up. It's going right up again, so we're going to go for another trade again. You can see the line. I'm watching the down line, not the top line, don't forget. So let's wait for it to hit like $3 again, then we can sell and go again. $2.7, 3.42. okay, so I've closed that trade. We make 3.42. We're going to place another trade again. So before we proceed, for those who haven't purchased the TOUCHSCALPER boat, that's the boat right there, and the boat is just $9.99 USD one-time payment. To order the boat, all you have to do is to visit www.touchscalper.ctytechnologies.com.ng to order the boat. You can see the payment options right there: PayPal, money, perfect money, debit card, web money, Bitcoin, Ethereum, bank transfer, and other payment options on the other page. The PIPSREAPER boat, as well as the PIPSREAPER boat. To order PIPSREAPER boat, all you have to do is to visit binary PIPSREAPER boat or ctytechnologies.com.ng. is just $7.99 USD. And our boat comes with the free ebook on how to trade synthetic indices. Then I will give out some free binary options board as well, and a free forex trading ebook and a forex trading EA. And don't forget to subscribe to all our channels. We're going to be dropping many strategies today. Subscribe to all our channels. So the links to all the other pages for the boats and registration page for you to sign up for a trading account, they are all right here. Check the video description on YouTube. All this information will be pasted there. There's a link to order the PIPSREAPER boat. There's a link to order the TOUCHSCALPER boat. There's a link to sign up for a free trading account here for those who don't have a trading account, to test all these strategies on demo before you go live. There's a link right there, and these are the links to subscribe to our channels. This is the first channel, this is the second channel, and this is the third channel. And the links to register for a free forex account to test the forex boat we gave away, they are right there. and the links to download the ebooks are also here as well, and there's a link to our forum website. So check all these links in the video description. Don't forget there's a link to sign up for a free trading account. So let's place one more trade before we proceed to our next strategy for today. So it's going up. You can see the white line is still going right up, so this is the best time to go in. So we are going all the way in now. So our mouse will be here. You can, if you want to wait for the trade to close by itself, you can wait. But if you want to wait for it to hit the green, it's just 3 minutes. You can wait as well, but regardless, you're gonna win the trade. There's a time count right there. It's the current trade. It's gonna be our last trade. So it's the green back again. 2.7, go up a little. Okay, 3 is okay. So I took 3.06 right there. So make sure you stake huge amounts so that you can have more earnings right there. So if you do the maths, we made about $11 just in a few minutes. So you can see the strategy is 100% guaranteed. I'll see you guys next time. Make sure you share our videos, give a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Thanks for keep coming back. Thanks for your support. Bye.